Hello my friends, Stephanie Bernard at the Stamps of Life, and I have some exciting products to share with you today. Now one of them is kind of funny that I'm saying it's exciting because it's another Steffi doll, which is kind of weird because I'm Stephanie. But anyway, let me show you that first, and she is oh so adorable. Look at how cute she is. Now this is Stephiedoll number 3, and we're kind of calling her like the garden Steffi, because she's holding a little basket of flowers. She has a cute little butterfly and some little flowers and some grass, and the little words say flower petal wishes and butterfly kisses and hello friend, and I'm so lucky you're my friend, which is oh so cute. Now of course there's dies that match, and with the dies you're getting the die and the shadow, the grass die, which is really awesome. Now that isn't necessarily going to match up to the actual stamps because, you know, dies are a little different on things that intricate, but the shadow will, don't worry. And then the cute little flowers and the butterflies and the fun things like that. Now, that is awesome, and I have some great samples to share with you. Let me just share those with you because the next product I show you is going to... Okay, so let's look at these first. So here we have these cute samples, and look at how cute. Do you want a blonde Steffi or do you want a brunette or black-haired Stephanie? You get to pick. And look at how fun this one is because when you open it up, it used our 3D pop-up, which is really fun with all of those flowers. So easy. So you get to decide how you color. Now, if you're one of those that says, ooh, I don't like to color, I'm afraid of those expensive markers, I do not use expensive markers. In fact, I gave all of mine away years ago. I do not use expensive markers that cost $2 or $3 or $4 or $6 each. I use watercolor brushes and any ink pad or any of my markers. So any markers you have, any ink pads you have, you're just going to use a water brush, and you need to go watch some of my videos on how I color because it is the easiest thing in the world. And you don't have to worry about all that learning how to shade and take all those expensive classes. No, no, no. Now, let's look at some more. Here she is all dolled up, ready to go. So cute. Here's another one. You get to pick the skin color and the hair color and the dress color and the flower color, all of it put together. Isn't that fantastic? So that is available on our website. We also have, look at this monster die. It will fit in a standard machine, but it is a Z-fold die. This is really fun because it's angled, and let me show you this. Oh, and actually you can see in this picture here, you can see how it's angled. Now it will fit in an A2 size envelope. It's a little skinnier than an A2 size envelope because we're using one sheet of 8.5 by 11 paper, but it will fit in an A2 envelope. Now you might think, oh my gosh, that looks so hard to do or anything. Well, guess what? I'm going to make one for you. We're going to make one together, and that's going to show you how disgustingly easy this is. And what we're going to do is we're just going to peel up the main die. Remember, the big die is your most important one. That's the one you're going to use to cut your card base. We're going to bring over our machine, and we are going to lay down our paper. Now, this is something that you need to notice right off the bat. It just fits on that 8.5 by 11. See that? It just fits. You have a little bit of space over here and a little bit of space over here. Not much. So what we're going to do is we're going to lay that down. Now, of course, we want to go a little bit at an angle. So we're going to do our best to go a little bit at an angle, but stay on our paper. Now, I'm going to grab my other cutting pad, and I'm going to make sure it doesn't move. Oh, it just moved, of course, because you're watching. Close your eyes, everybody. No, I'm kidding. Okay, so now we're laying that down. And we're going to run this. Oh, see, it's moving, and I'm worried that you guys are going to see it moving, and then I'm not going to be able to. I mean, it's going to move, and then I'm not going to be able to get it. Okay, so I'm trying to do this for the camera. Well, you know what? We're just going to go speed bumps. How's that? That'll make it easier. We'll just do speed bumps. But get on your there we go. Well, see, it's snapping to my magnet on my magnetic platform. That's my problem. Okay, hold it, hold it, hold it. Stay, stay, stay. There we go. Now we're going to give it a push, and we're going to run that. Now it's a little bit harder because it is a speed bump. On yours, you can spend more time to get it to go through. And my cutting pads are a little crooked, so we're going to run that baby through. There we go. And now what we have is we have our fun card base. And look, it does fit. Look at that. Woo! both sides. I still have some on both sides. That's good. You want to see both on both sides. So we have these nice dark score lines. So what we're going to do is we're going to score it, fold it, and we're going to fold it again. And look at that. Dun, 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 dun. We have RZ, fold card, RZ, fold card. Now, of course, there are layering dies on here because you know I'm all about the layering dies. And so let's look at an example here so you can see how easy these are. So here there's actually technically quite a few pieces here. So let me show you this. We have a layering die on the small one, a layering die on the larger one, a medium one, and then a layering die on the big one. We also have these fun pockets. Now, I want you to use these pockets, not just on this card, but other cards. For example, this little pocket right here holds a gift card, which is fantastic because what I'm going to do is I'm going to grab a piece of cardstock and I'm going to just run this die through, and I want you to see how cute this is. And it fits a gift card, which is even better. And then and I shouldn't use a big cutting pad because it'll take me 5 years to run it all the way through the machine. We'll get a smaller cutting pad because a smaller die requires a smaller cutting pad. And we're going to run that through just like that. Less rotations on the machine. And now what we have is we have this cute little die. Look how fun this is. And it has those nice, gorgeous score lines. We're going to fold there, fold there, fold there. We're going to add adhesive to that, and then we can add it to our card anywhere we want, or any card. Add adhesive on those little guys, and now I have a cute little pocket, which is fantastic. So let's look at our samples because we have such fun samples, and there's so many dies in here. So what's included? The flowers are included, the words "a gift for you" are included, lots of other flowers here. Let's see, that says I'm sending hugs, so that says sending hugs, more flowers, little grassy area, my love. It also says lots of fun and very intricate dies on here. You are going to want to use your Stamps of Life adhesive sheets on the back, okay? Because you're not going to want to have to add adhesive to the back of those ever so slightly. Let me show you the samples because it's going to make more sense. So here's a cute one. We're going to open it up. Congratulations. Open it up. Look at how fun that is. Welcome. This is like a welcome to the neighborhood. Look how cute that tree is. All those extra pieces. You get to make this any theme you want. So for example, this one is Happy Housewarming. This one, oh, look how gorgeous this one is. Sending hugs. Isn't that pretty? And I love the scallop top of this. It just makes it more exciting because technically I could have done a straight line here, right? I could have done a straight line here and a straight line here. But you know what? Technically, you could have made that yourself, right? I mean, yeah, you would have had to score it and line it up, score it. But I wanted it to be more exciting, so I added the scallop to it. So here we go, sending hugs. You're going to open it up, and look at how fun that is. So it says sending hugs and coffee. Did Vanessa make that? Oh, Christine made this one. And then we're going to open it. Look at this. Oh, there's a gift card in there. So we have that cute little gift card pocket. Isn't that fun? Let's look at some more. So here, can you tell how excited I am about this one? I've been waiting to bring this one to you because it's funny, I design these like literally 6 to 8 months in advance sometimes. And so I don't get to use them really until you get to see them. So now that you get to see it, now I get to start using it for real. I'm here for you. Open it up. Look at how cute. Look, you could add a little something, a little tag in there. Oh, there's another pocket one. You can do this. Call me anytime you need a friend. How cute is that? Close it up, and I love that. And you could decorate other sides too, right? You could technically decorate all of the sides, but look at how fun that is. Open and close. And look, stands awesome for display, which is even more exciting, right? Because we want them to be displaying our artwork. Look how fun these tag pieces are up here. And you could literally almost make this a little booklet. You could put little pictures in here, like a little grandma's booklet, grandma's brag book. Here's another cute one. Look at, oh, this one's decorated, oh, all around. Sending hugs, and then it's decorated in here. Happy birthday. That is really decorated. Isn't that fantastic? Now, if I go too fast on any of these, I know I tend to do that. Don't worry, you can go to our online gallery. Have you seen our new website? Go to our online gallery, and you can go check out all of these samples up close and personal. And you can even print them out. You can favorite them, different things like that. See, my team went crazy with these, didn't they? Because there's tons. Oh, there's our little wiggle guy. We love those little wobbles, don't we? This one opens this way. How fun. Oops, I opened it the wrong way. Did it get bent the wrong way? Hang on. I'm trying to figure this one out here, guys. Okay, there. Well, no, that was right. There we go. So open it that way, and then you can open it that way. Cute, huh? Let's see what else we have. Here's a coffee one. Catherine did another coffee one. Cute. My team is in love with their coffee. I'm the Diet Coke girl. Everybody else mostly is coffee. Happy, happy birthday. There's a kit, and then you can write your little message in here, sending hugs. So if you wanted to do more layers, that's really fun. Here's a sample one, a gift for you. Look at how intricate those letters are. You definitely want to use that adhesive on the back, right? Look how pretty that little motif is of those flowers. Open it up. It's like a little garden. Isn't that adorable? I love it. I love it. Now, club members, of course, you get the club discount on these products. If you're not in the club, you are missing out. Club members get a 15 to 20% discount on all of our products, including machines, including online classes. And they also get anniversary gifts. Every couple months we send them little freebies and new this year club points. Club members get club points. You can earn those and spend them. Woohoo! Even more exciting, right? So go check out joining the club because it's very exciting and it's only $11.95 a month, and that includes shipping. It doesn't get better than that, does it? Thank you so much, and I hope to see you again soon. Bye-bye.